Welcome to the unboxing of the MiniX Neo X7 quad-core media hub, Android based. So this is an Android based media center. This is a box. Just looking at the box, first impressions is that it's nice. It's the same kind of box you'd expect to see from Google, like on the Chromecast, or from Apple for Apple TV or any iProduct, or Samsung. It's good quality, the printing and everything. Right here it tells you what's in the box. You get the Mini Neo X7, the antenna, the power adapter, the micro USB cable, the OTG cable, the HDMI cable, and the setup guide. And then the specs on it, it's dual band Wi-Fi, it's quad core, 2 GB of RAM, built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, including hotspot and air pins. So let's open this box up, and there you go. Got your product brochure, other products that they have, their various products. This is the Neo X7 Mini. It is the best one they have as far as specs go. And then you have your guide, tells you how to use it. And this is it. And you can see that is very sleek looking, very, very cool. Definitely not a cheap looking product. It's very looks expensive. Looks like it should. Let's get that out of there and take that off. And you can see on the back it has the Android logo. Fairly small, but very powerful. Got your antenna connection here, and then lots of ports. Got your adapter, your Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, optical sound out, HDMI out, reset button. Then over here you've got your OTG cable, not cable, but OTG connection. You've got your SD card slots. You can expand the memory. It has 16 gigabytes built in, but you can expand it. You've got another USB port, and you've got a place for a mic, headphones, and your power button. So that's it. All nice and sleek and black. Very, very nice looking machine. Let's take this out and just look at the rest of the stuff. This is your micro USB cable with USB on the other end. You've got an HDMI cable. That's awesome. A lot of times these days they don't include HDMI cables. You have your remote control that you'll use with the device. Now there are other remote controls you can get to use with it that are a little bit more advanced, but this is the one that comes with it. Very simple, very basic. Allows you to control the device. You've got your antenna to increase the Wi-Fi ability. You've got another micro USB cable. This one with the male end instead of the female end. And then you've got your power adapter. So that's it. That's what comes in the box. Again, this is the MiniX, and specifically the Neo X7 16 gigabyte quad core media hub for Android. Very very sleek packaging. Without having used it yet, I'm impressed with the definitely impressed with the packaging. So I also, this is just the unboxing. I have a video of the a video reviewing the product and showing it in action, showing you how it works. So I'll have a link to that. You can click that link and head over and watch the actual product in action, see how it works, and see what I think about it. But first impressions, just upon the unboxing, is very impressed. Very, very nice looking packaging and product.